After the last video, the obvious question becomes, what am I actually researching? Not hype, not guesses, just what's on my radar and why. What's good, unwind, and welcome back to the Everyday Come Up. This isn't financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy anything. I'm showing you how I think so you can build your own filter. Because without a filter, you're just reacting, buying stuff behind hype. And reacting is how people lose money. We don't want to do that, all right? So before I even look at a project, I ask myself a few questions. Does it solve a real problem? Is it built for utility, not hype? Does it align with where money and infrastructure are actually going? And will it still matter 5 to 10 years from now? If it doesn't pass that test, I don't entertain it. Then let's zoom out, y'all. Look at the big picture. Global payments, they are extremely outdated. Slow transfers, high fees, way too many middlemen. And right now, banks worldwide are upgrading to a new financial messaging standard called ISO 222. I'm not unpacking that here. I'll break that down properly in the next video. But understand this, if the financial system is upgrading how money moves at a global level, I'm paying attention to who was built for that upgrade. So hear me out. I'm asking, if the system gets upgraded, who's already built for it? Think about it. That's why I'm researching payment infrastructure projects. Names like XRP and XLM show up in that conversation. Not because of hype, not because of price, but because they're positioned around solving settlement and liquidity problems. That's infrastructure, my people. And infrastructure is boring until it isn't. The second category I'm studying is real-world asset and enterprise infrastructure plays. Projects like HBAR and Flare come up there. Stuff that connects traditional value, finance, commodities, data to the blockchain rails. I'm not chasing charts. I'm studying what's being built. Notice what I'm not doing. I'm not chasing meme coins. I'm not buying because X is loud. I'm not reacting to green candles. I'm building conviction slowly because I'd rather move informed than emotional. Out of everything I'm researching, one project keeps standing out, not because of price, but because of how it's being built. The more I study it, the more it reminds me of something from the early 90s, before most people understood what they were looking at. In the next video, I'm breaking down XRP and why I think most people are completely missing what's actually happening underneath. If this helps you think clearer, subscribe, hit that like button. Let's keep figuring it out, one smart move at a time.